the best experience I've ever had. Repels sweat, oil, and spills, and it makes every movement feel intentional. This mouse pad was made for pro PC gamers, and I'm not one. I edit videos, scroll timelines, and create content all day. But honestly, this has been the best experience I've ever had with a mouse pad. I used to use this thick foam mouse pad, and every time that I moved my mouse, the pad would shift, and even worse, the entire desk would shake. It's a small thing, but when you're editing all day, that kind of stuff can really slow your productivity down. So I switched to an Apple trackpad to stabilize things, and it looks absolutely clean, but I missed the precision and glide of a dedicated mouse surface. And that's where this comes in. The Flash Beyond glass pad gave me back that effortless control and completely smoothed out my workflow. Let's talk about the size. It's a generous 500 by 400 millimeters, or roughly 19.7 by 15.7 inches, big enough for creative workflows or wide enough for gaming flicks. The surface is military grade tempered glass with micro etching, engineered for ultra low friction. It's coated with something called the NanoArmor, which repels sweat, oil, and spills, and it can be wiped down in one swipe. The base uses a 3mm HexaGrip rubber layer holding up to 45 pounds of resistance. In translation, it does not move, no matter how fast you are moving or working. So let's talk about who this is for. If you're an FPS player, then this is right up your alley. It's made for those flick shots, those snappy responses, and pixel perfect aiming. But if you're like me, a content creator, a designer, an editor, or just someone who cares about a premium desk feel, this is one of the cleanest upgrades that you can absolutely make for yourself. I noticed a difference immediately when scrubbing timelines, editing photos, or even just moving between apps. So let's talk about the price, which surprised me tremendously. For $50 compared to the other glass mouse pads on the market, such as the SkyPAD 3.0 or Pulsar Super Glide, that are usually going from $70 all the way up to $150, you're gonna get the same premium glass performance, and you're also getting it at a lower price. Plus, they include extra mouse skates and a wrist sleeve so that you have more control when you are performing on your gaming. Quick rundowns. We have super smooth glide, minimal aesthetic, easy to clean, no movement on your desk whatsoever. And then when it comes to the cons, it might be a little louder than soft pads. And also, this might not be for those that are fans of the cushiony resistant pads. Again, I'm not a gamer, but this gaming mouse pad ended up being one of the best things that I added to my creative setup. It looks good, feels better, and it makes every movement feel intentional. If you want to check this product out, I've got the link in the description. Big thanks to Flash Beyond for sending me this gear over. And if you're into creator-friendly tech like this, hit that sub button. I've got more coming soon, and I would love to hear your comments down below. What mouse pad are you guys using, and is it for everyday use or is it for gaming? As always, I love to hear your experiences. And till the next one, stay intentional. Peace.